How to undo changes in AudioMass. First of all, when you are working on your audio project in AudioMass and make a change you want to revert, you can use the undo feature to step back. On the top menu bar, you will find the edit button. Click on it and you will see the undo option. Simply click that and your last action will be undone. You can keep clicking undo multiple times to go back through your recent edits one by one. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, just press Shift plus Z, which instantly reverses the last change. This shortcut is very handy for quick correcting mistakes without interrupting your workflow. Next, if you accidentally undo too much, you can use the redo button by going to Edit and clicking on Redo. The keyboard shortcut for redo is Shift plus Y. This way, you have full control to move backward and forward through your editing history. Once you are happy with your changes or after undoing unwanted edits, don't forget to save or export your project. You can do this by clicking on File, then selecting Export or Download to save your audio file to your computer. And that's it. Now you know how to undo changes in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.